Welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. This is the absolutely stunning Audi R8 that we've been working on. What we've installed is a Thatcham Category 5 tracker to this car. The system's really easy to use. It comes with an application so you can monitor your vehicle through an app as well. So the couple of things on this particular product. So we've got a 24-hour stolen vehicle helpline on the phone number there for the customer, as well as these two little tags. These two little tags are a Thatcham approved ADR tag. What that basically means is that if the vehicle is stolen or even driven away using the factory key or without, the driver will be get given a phone call from Vodafone Automotive, and then they'll liaise with the police to recover the vehicle. Really effective way to prevent against stolen vehicles and things like that. So adds a little bit of peace of mind, as well as a lot of your time the insurance company on these particular vehicles will be asking for a Category 5 tracker. So for more details on these systems, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, and I have done a full other video on the AMG GTS that we worked on. So this is a really nice, beautiful, stunning colour, and really like this model and the spec that this customer's gone for. So for more details, please do give us a call. Happy to explain the systems and different options that are available for your vehicle. Contact numbers 01223 56 30 30, or check out either Cambridge Car Audio for all your bespoke audio upgrades. We've also got a whole section designated to the Audi R8 on there, and then we've got CBS Automotive, who will deal with all your trackers and everything like that as well. So feel free to get in touch, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.